Hi, my name is Kiera. I worked on this remodel here in Westlake Village. We did a major kitchen renovation where we really opened up the space, completely demoed all of the old, and wanted to create a much more modern vibe for this customer. So we started with taking out these two huge supporting walls in the center of the house so that the whole downstairs was an open concept. Mostly white cabinetry along the perimeter of the kitchen so that the light was really reflective and it made the space feel bigger, especially since the ceilings aren't that high. And also a custom large window overlooking the backyard that completely accordioned open. But we did want to add some contrast, which is why we went in with a darker wood island to kind of break up all of that white. We installed all state-of-the-art new appliances, a built-in drawer microwave, a custom wood hood above the large 48-inch wolf range. We also did a large farmhouse sink, side-by-side Sub-Zero 54-inch fridge, a under-counter wine/drink fridge, and then the back side of the island, when you pull out the stools, you'll still have 2-foot deep shelving all the way across for all those additional items. In the den, it was super outdated. We had a large brick wall and small half-moon fireplace. We really wanted to liven this up and also add some functionality. So we completely took out all of that brick, did a marble fireplace that ties in with the kitchen, and adding bookshelves in this area for additional storage. Overall, we really opened up the whole flow of this downstairs, and the client is ecstatic with how this has changed the way their family is able to function in the space. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on our next project.